Hey guys, welcome back to another discord.js tutorial. Last time I covered a ping command tutorial, and today I have decided that I want to make a member count command tutorial. So to get started, let's open our directory, let's go into the commands, and we'll make a file called membercount.js. Now, let's start it. We'll define Discord. Const discord equals require discord.js, and then module.exports.run equals a asynchronous function bot message and the arguments, and then we're going to define like the member count. So we'll do let member count equals message.guild.member count. That's we need to change it to something else. We'll do server member count, and then what we'll do is once the command is used, we'll make it so it sends a message to the channel. So we'll do message.channel.send. We're gonna put backticks because we're going to be defining this variable. So a total of, finally that, server member count members in message.guild.name. What message.guild.name is your server name. That's going to display the server name. We'll put it in bold. Okay. And now what we'll do is gonna put the command in here. Config. We're gonna do command is member count. I'll put the alias as MC, and we'll put the category as general. We'll set the permission to, let's say, send messages so anyone can use it. Command perms is, no, we don't even need that. And then we'll do cooldown is 5, and then the args is false, because you don't need an argument for this command. We'll save it, and then we'll run the bot in the terminal, so node dot, and it will load up. Okay, it's loaded up now. Let's do a member count. A total of 6 members in test place #2. So as you can see, that's the server name, which is correct here. And then we have 6 members in this server that I own. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what else you guys would like. It would be appreciated, as if I get more support I can make more videos like this. And have a good day.